Good evening, students. Today again we shall discuss another English topic, and today's topic is fill in the gaps with appropriate prepositions. You know, prepositions are parts of speech which are placed before a noun or a pronoun to establish the relationship of that noun or pronoun with the rest of the subject. Now, exercise 1 and our question number 1. If we continue walking dash this speed, we shall soon be able to reach the top. Now, what will be your option? Option A at, option B on, option C to, and option D is no preposition. Your answer will be option A at. So the sentence will be, if we continue walking at this speed, we shall soon be able to reach the top. They quarreled dash the division of the property. This will be they quarreled over the division of the property. I complimented him dash his bright success in the examination. Compliment, the verb compliment is always followed by on. So the answer will be that I complimented him on his bright success in the examination. Question number 4. You ought to feel ashamed of your disgraceful conduct. These are appropriate prepositions. So ashamed will be followed by of. Ashamed of মানে হচ্ছে লজ্জিত হওয়া. Try to avail yourself of. Avail of every opportunity that comes your way. So answer will be option C. The magistrate acquitted him dash the charge. Option A of, option B of OFF, option C from, option D out of. It will be acquitted him of the charge OF. So option A is correct answer. Acquit of মানে হচ্ছে খালাস করা, মুক্তি দেওয়া. They discussed dash the matter for many hours without arriving at any conclusion. Option A দেওয়া আছে on, option B about, option C over, option D no preposition. So this is a knowledge and information for you that discussed is followed by no preposition. So the sentence will be that they discussed the matter for many hours without arriving at any conclusion. Question 8. Parents are often blind dash the faults of their children. These parents are often blind to the faults of their children. So the option is option C. Option C is your correct answer. That is, parents are often blind to the faults of their children. If he wants to recover soon, he must abstain from. Abstain from মানে দূরে থাকা. Option C is your correct answer. We will have to atone for our misdeeds. Option C is your correct answer. Atone for মানে হচ্ছে অনুশোচনা করা, অনুতাপ করা, প্রায়শ্চিত্ত করা, এটাকে বলা হয় atone for. Now exercise number 2. Question number 11. This long illness has reduced him dash a skeleton. Option আছে to, by, up to, into. This will be, this long illness has reduced him into a skeleton. Option D is your correct answer. My father found it difficult to accede to my request. Option D, correct answer. The report did not find favor with the shareholders. So these are very specific appropriate prepositions. If you don't know the rule, then it will be very difficult for you to score in the exam halls. So please pay attention to the paper. A courageous man never of success. Despairs of মানে নিরাশাবাদী, যে despairs of মানে নিরাশা করা, হতাশা করা. So despairs of success. A courageous man never despairs of success. There is no exception to this rule. Exception to means ব্যতিক্রম. Question number 16. He is ignorant of what he pretends to know. The party comprises dash Onu, Keshav, Shiv and myself, and the given options are of, with, by, no preposition. Actually, after comprises we don't use any preposition, so it will be zero preposition. The party comprises Onu, Keshav, Shiv and myself. But had there been consist, instead of comprises, if there had been the word consist, so what would be the preposition? The party consists of Onu, Keshav, Shiv and myself. He was vexed dash the behavior of his son. It will be vexed at. What is vexed at? Vexed at means অতিষ্ঠ, অত্যাচারে অতিষ্ঠ হওয়াকে বলে vexed at. Option A is your correct answer. 18th answer is option A. He was vexed at the behavior of his son. A large number of colleges are affiliated to the Delhi University. Many students have the tendency to write by after affiliated. We tend to write a large number of colleges are affiliated by the Delhi University, but instead of by it will be to. Question number 20. The man was an accomplice of the robber. Accomplice of. So your correct answer is option C. Let us move on to exercise number 13. The police wrongly charged him with murder. You should adapt to your environment. Adapt yourself to your environment. 23. He felt dejected and the feeling passed off. He felt dejected and the feeling passed off. Now what is pass off? Pass off মানে হচ্ছে মিলিয়ে যাওয়া. Question 24. My son has written to me that he will be coming home dash Diwali. It will be at Diwali. At. So your answer will be at Diwali. Fate smiled on him in all his ventures. Smiled on. Option number C is your correct answer. I was obliged to dispense. Dispense is always followed by with. So it will be dispense with the services of my secretary. He was unreasonably incensed at me. Incensed at মানে হচ্ছে ক্ষুব্ধ, বিরক্ত হওয়া. Incensed at. He revenged himself on his enemy. প্রতিশোধ নেওয়া. At present, I am occupied. Oh, there will be a small dash here. I am occupied in writing a book. Question number 30. It is desirable to connive. It is not desirable to connive at the faults of one's children. At the faults of one's children. Now let us move on to question number 4. She loves life, but she is tired of its difficulties. Tired of means klanto. It is abominable habit to boast of one's intelligence. Boast of মানে হচ্ছে অহংকার করা. This is contrary to the rules of the bank. So your correct option is option D. There is great discontent among the lower classes. Among. Option C is your correct answer. Question number 35. Do not work dash your capacity. It will be do not work beyond your capacity, and your correct answer is option B. He is averse to any form of physical exercise. He is like me only. He is averse to any form of physical exercise. Wipe the dust off the table. Wipe the dust off the table. Wipe off means মুছে ফেলা. Remind me of this note tomorrow in the afternoon. Remind of option A. He jumped dash my suggestion that he should set up a new factory. It will be jumped at option D. Consequent upon or consequent on is your correct option. His failure to give a satisfactory explanation, he was dismissed. Option C is your correct answer. Always remember, subsequent to and consequent on or upon. These two appropriate prepositions. So let us move on to exercise number 5, today's last exercise. Today we shall solve 50 questions on filling the blanks of preposition. The old lady nearly died dash fright. বৃদ্ধ মহিলা ভয়ে প্রায় মারাই গিয়েছিলেন. এটা হবে died of fright মানে ভয়ে মরে যাওয়া. Let us protest dash the new tax. নতুন ট্যাক্সের বিরুদ্ধে অভিযোগ করা. against. Poets have compared this world to a stage. compare to হচ্ছে তুলনা করা. Can you improve dash these results? Option A no preposition, option B from, option C with, option D upon. Correct option is upon. Can you improve upon these results? Question number 45. I was horrified at the sight of so much poverty. Option B is your correct answer. At. 46. I prevailed dash him to contest the election. Prevail is followed by on or upon. So your correct answer is on. I prevailed on him to contest the election. Option A. 47. Dash my parents, my friends and relatives also attended the marriage. আমার বাবা মা ব্যতীত, আমার বাবা মা ছাড়াও আমার বন্ধুরা এবং আত্মীয়রা এই ম্যারেজটা অ্যাটেন্ড করেছিলেন. তাহলে এই ক্ষেত্রে আনসার উইল বি besides. besides মানে হচ্ছে in addition to, আর beside মানে হচ্ছে by the side, মানে হচ্ছে পাশে. I am sitting beside him, পাশে বসে থাকা। Besides মানে হচ্ছে additional. Question number 48. The entire property was divided among, divide among মানে সকলের মধ্যে ভাগ করে দেওয়া। Since there are 5 sons, so when we divide something and the number of persons are more than 2, then it will be among. If the number of persons are 2 only, then it will be between. The entire property was divided between 2 sons. The entire property was divided between the 2 sons. Here it is more than 2, it will be among the 2 sons. If you were to choose dash a glorious death and an ignoble life, what would you choose? If you were to choose between a glorious death, if you were to choose between a glorious death and an ignoble life, what would you choose? Choose between a glorious death. Here comparison between glorious death and ignoble life. So the comparison is between, when there is comparison for 2 persons, then we shall use between. When more than 2 persons, we shall use among. He is negligent of attending his classes. Negligent of means negligent মানে হেলা করা, অবহেলা করা, তুচ্ছ তাচ্ছিল্য করা। So this was the thing we have discussed today in this class. In our next classes we shall discuss with you further classes of preposition and English grammar. Until then, stay focused on your studies, stay at home, stay safe. God bless you all. Thank you.